Caydo P3 Art Projector results. From 5-hour sketches to 45-minute canvases. Seriously.
It's 1:37 a.m. and I'm hunched over a canvas that looked perfect on my iPad, but now every line I draw freehand looks like it's drunk. I zoom in on the reference photo for the 47th time and whisper, "Why can't I just get this right?" Type me if you're dying inside right now. You still with me, or did that one hurt too much?
I know that suffocating feeling when your hand refuses to match what your eyes see. The quiet rage when the proportions are off by millimeters and the whole piece collapses. But what if one tiny black box could make your canvas obey your phone like magic? Keep watching, because in 30 seconds, I'm going to show you something that feels borderline illegal for how easy it makes everything.
Then I plugged in the Caydo P3 Art Projector, and the room went silent. I tossed it on my desk at a 45-degree angle like I didn't care, hit the button, and 2 seconds later, a perfectly squared 90-inch image locked onto my canvas like it was glued there. Autofocus so sharp I could see individual brush hairs in the reference. The Caydo Art app let me drop opacity to 25%, freeze the layer, throw a perspective grid on top, flip it, rotate it, Comicize mode for inking, Monochromize for values, everything in real time with zero lag. Last month, I almost missed a client deadline because I couldn't get the proportions on a 4-foot portrait right. I plugged in the P3, projected the final Procreate file at 15% opacity, traced the key lines in 12 minutes, and finished the painting 2 days early. The canvas smelled like coffee and victory that night.
Here's the chain. 4 hours saved per large piece turns into 0 proportion fights, confidence goes through the roof, and clients start paying 50 to 100% more because the work suddenly looks pro. A pro muralist with 500,000 TikTok followers said she sold her $1,200 Heartograph the same week. A 1.2 million sub tech channel measured 812 real ANSI and called it "just buy this one, period." An Image Comics inker said it's the first projector that actually feels designed by artists. An Etsy seller with 30K sales went from 4 to 5 hours sketching to 45 minutes, and customers keep asking what sorcery she's using. Me? I watched my friend Mia, who still freehands everything, try it for 5 minutes, go completely quiet, then whisper, "I need this yesterday." The only objection I ever hear is, "But isn't tracing cheating?" Yeah, until you're the one getting paid triple while they're still erasing noses at 3 a.m. Wait till you see why thousands of us won't shut up about the freeze frame and opacity combo. Drop your current tracing method below. I want to know what you're suffering with right now.
Join the ones who already know this cheat code feels way too good to be legal. 1 plug, 2 seconds, perfect lines every single time. No more fighting yourself. The Caydo P3 Art Projector just turned good enough into dangerous. First link in description. I pinned it to the top so you don't have to hunt. Click it, grab yours, and come flex on the rest of us when your next piece makes people lose their minds. I'll be over here smiling because I know what's coming for you. Catch up, legend!